Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the owl entity from 99 Nights in the Forest. So first we're going to get started with the shape of our head, and we're going to start on the left hand side, curving this up and in towards the center. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side, stepping over and just replicating that. Moving in now, we're going to start from that point, curving this line in. Again, starting from that point, curving this out and back in. And then again from that corner, curving this around and through towards the middle. Now from here, let's draw in the beak. So right in the center, we're going to curve this line up and then down on the right. And then on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line in so it joins together at a point. Now stepping up for the eyes, we're going to start with the outward circle. Stepping across on the right and replicating that. Moving in towards the center now, let's draw in another circle. And then we're just going to color in that circle black. Now moving underneath, from the corner of the beak on both sides, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to start in the center, arching this line around and bringing that in on the side. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in at a point, and then again, we'll replicate that on the right, bringing that down. Let's move down and draw in the torso now. So coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down and up. Step across on the right, replicating that. Moving in again, curving this down and up. And then now in the center, drawing in another curved line from left to right. Let's close off the legs, curving this down and in. In the center now, again, back down and up. And then one more time, bringing this down and through towards the middle. Let's add some details now. So we're going to draw in 3 curved lines on the top. In the middle, we're going to draw in 2. And then again on the bottom, we're going to draw in 3 more curved lines. Let's move down now. We're going to draw in the letter W. We'll do the same on the right. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in 3 curved lines connecting those together. Let's draw in the leg. So we're going to come down on the left, drawing a diagonal line, stepping in, replicating that. We'll do the same thing on the right-hand side. Let's close off the feet. So we're going to arch this line out and across. Now from that point, bringing this line over. Let's step up again, curving this line out and through towards the top. Let's draw in some straight lines as we come down our leg now, just leaving an even amount of space as we do so. And then we'll do the same on the right. Let's move up and draw in the arms. So we're going to curve this line out. From that point, we're going to curve this line in. Again, bringing this line around and through. And then again, one more time, bringing this down and up towards the side. Let's draw on the hand now. So we're going to come down, curving this out. And then from that point, arching this back, around, and down. From that point, curving this around and through. Stepping across again, let's curve this line down, bringing that around and back in towards the top. Now let's draw in the wings. So we're going to come up on the right hand side and we're going to curve this line up and out. Now from here, we're going to continue to extend this line out towards the left hand side. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. We're going to step down now on this line and curve this line in towards the bottom. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line around and in towards our arm. Now we're going to come down and draw in some feathers. So we're going to curve this around and in. Let's step down. And we're just going to keep doing this as we move all the way down our wing until we reach our arm. And then we're just going to get slightly smaller as we come in towards the arm. Curving that down. Now let's do the same from the top. So we're going to curve this line around and down. And then we're going to move underneath, bringing this around, back in. And we're going to do this again as we come all the way down. And as we come in for the scoop of the wing, we're just going to make each one smaller. Now as we come on top of our wing on both sides, we're going to curve this line out. And then from that point, we're going to arch this back down and in towards the top of the wing. And then on the top here, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now let's move down and draw in our tail. So we're going to come out on the left, drawing in a diagonal line, coming out, curving that in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the middle, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Let's connect this in the middle with a curved line. And then coming across on both sides, we're going to curve that out towards the leg. Now from here, moving up, we're going to arch this line through towards the center lines. And then again, one more time, curving this around and across. And that is it. That's how you draw the owl entity. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.